Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start subbing your foods so you're never bored with what you're eating on plan. It is so crucial to be switching up your foods often. So again, you don't feel like you're in this box of just eating the same thing over and over and over again. So I'm going to teach you how to create your own food sub cheat sheet. And this is so key because once you do this, you are never going to have to do it again. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, so first of all, we have to get into the members area and pull up the food sub calculator. So in the members area, there's going to be this bar here. You're going to go under tools and you're going to click on food sub calculator. It's going to load here. And you will have to put a password in the first time that you enter. It's Team Strong Girls, just Team Strong Girls, no caps or anything. So here's the food sub calculator. You're going to have that up on your screen. You're also going to refer to your fat loss blueprint, your meal plan. Now I'm going to show you how I created my cheat sheet. So this is my cheat sheet here. So I have divided each of my meals up. So this is breakfast. Every single food for my breakfast is listed here. And these are my subs. Okay, so I've been adding to this. This might look a little overwhelming when you first look at it, but I have been adding to this throughout the year. So for you guys, I want you to take each food item and look up 5 equivalent subs for each food item for each of your meals. Okay, so this is something that's going to take probably a week to do. And then you're going to always add to it, which is the beauty of it. Once you have this done, you want to print it out, you want to have it on your computer, and you want to have it available to you when you do your food prep. So as I said before, I like to do food prep in days 2 to 3 day increments. So this is something that you can refer to and get all set up before you start your food prep for the next 2 to 3 days. Figure out what you're having for your meal 1, figure out what you're having for your meal 2. And again, those 2 to 3 days are going to probably be very similar, but then the next food prep day, you're going to switch it up again. So let's just look, I'm going to show you exactly how I do this using the food sub calculator. So I'm going to go into my dinner and I have 100 grams of chicken breast. So I'm going to key in chicken and a list is going to come up and I'm going to key in chicken breast, 100 grams. And then once you click in this box, it's going to come up with a list of different protein sources for you. So you can actually just scroll down and choose something that you want. So I'm going to do, let's see, a turkey burger. Okay, calculate 100 grams of chicken breast converts to 109 grams of turkey burger. So I'm just going to pull my sheet up here and 109 grams of turkey burger. Okay, and I have other things here like 141 grams of haddock. I have two egg whites and 1 whole egg, and that would be equivalent to 100 grams of chicken breast. For my potatoes, I have lists of different carbs. Now this is a hack. If you ever feel like you are not satiated after your meal, like you're still hungry even half an hour after you ate, you might want to consider adding a little bit more volume to your food. So if you look down here, 250 grams of red potatoes is equivalent to 549 grams of spaghetti squash. That's a lot. So by eating 549 grams of spaghetti squash, you know, for that meal, you are going to feel more satiated because it's more volume of food. It's more food volume. Okay, so now I'm going to, let's look at olive oil. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and this is a little bit tricky, and this is a little hack for the calculator. So the units of oil, the unit of measurement for oil in the food sub calculator is actually in teaspoons. So 1 tablespoon has 3 teaspoons. So 3 teaspoons is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So you're going to actually type in 3 here. So I'm going to do olive oil, click in here. You're going to type in 3, and then you're going to have a list of replacement fats. So I'm going to sub that for goat cheese, calculate it. So 3 teaspoons of olive oil, which is 1 tablespoon of olive oil on your plan, is equivalent to 51 grams of goat cheese. So you're just going to type that in here. 51 grams of goat cheese. So again, this is what I want you to do. 5 sub-options for each food item on your meal plan. And I would like you to share your cheat sheets on this page for accountability. And if you want, I can even share this cheat sheet with you. I've also made a cheat sheet of my post-workout, but for your post-workout, I would like you to access the members area. Let me see here. So all downloads in the members area right here. And you're gonna go to PWO options right here. So you have a list of PWO fruit options, and you have a list of PWO options here that you can start using right away for more variety, some fun things to look forward to after your workout, instead of just the rice crackers. So if you have any questions, please post below. But other than that, I would like you all to share your cheat sheets with me. So start now. This is something that you are going to be adding to over time. So don't feel like it's overwhelming, because once you do this, it's so key for your success. And you're also going to have a really great idea of what a protein, what a carb, and what a fat is, and what a meal should look like for you. Do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Please share on this page, because it's going to help everyone. And it's really a huge lifesaver when you food prep, and it's going to help you stick to the plan, because you're going to have a wide variety of flavors and food. I hope that helps, girls. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.